Ham, y'all. Enough said. Let's get it. Yeah, I picked up a ham today, y'all. Now, first thing you want to do when you get your ham, of course, is wash your ham, wash your meat, y'all. Make sure you rinse it off really well. Then after that, you want to cut down into the skin, creating some hash marks. And that's what we're doing here, y'all. So now we're gonna add a cup of water to our pan. That's gonna create steam, ensuring that our meat is going to be moist. Now we're gonna start on our glaze. Now this is just honey, and we're gonna drizzle all over that ham. And this here is some of that sweet soy sauce, y'all. Sweet soy sauce. And we're just gonna brush that in, y'all. Like I say, this is a real simple, basic recipe. The most important thing is the temperature of your ham when it come out. Now we got that in at 350 degrees, y'all. Now mine took about an hour to make it to a temperature of 140 internally. Oh yeah, look at that ham, y'all. Look at that ham. Now look here, y'all. Don't cook your ham over 140. It's not gonna be good. It's gonna be dry, y'all. Remember, your ham is already fully cooked anyway. But look at that meat. Look at that meat. 350 degrees for about an hour. And look at what we get. Look at what we get, y'all.
So check it, guys. Thanks for checking out the video. Hey, please hit that subscribe button right here. And hey, if you think about it, check out one of these other two videos that I already made. But anyway, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See you.